This is the USB to Apple Dock connector cable 6 foot. It features a USB Type-A male connector on one end and Apple 30-pin dock on the other. The cable is approximately 6 foot in length and is made with a rubber design that enhances durability without sacrificing flexibility or transfer speed. Once plugged in to your choice Apple device, use the USB plug in your computer for syncing and charging. The USB to Apple Dock connector cable 6 foot is a quick solution for your Apple projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.